Alam mo na. Gusto ko dito mainit-init. Kaya malamig dyan. So, how to bomb jump? Hindi. How to bomb jump? Mga tao. Ito yung version. Ito yung version? Kaya wait lang. Saan ba naman yung mga taong iyan? Saan sila? Ah, ito. Diba? Pwede kayo. Hindi dito. Gusto na ako dito. Kaya, how to bomb jump. Because if you're a beginner, put it in slow-mo. By the way, I'm using the app Wala Hap Practice. You can search it. Okay. We'll like this. Jump. If you fall down, you're gonna press the bomb jump in your head. Look. Okay, this is the without slow-mo. Look at this. Ta-da! Okay, I'm like a vinegar. I'm good enough now. This girl is a vinegar too, but look at this. Oh, okay. Okay, that's all. Bye.